Minuteverse reveals a planet where iron rains fall from the sky, a world famed for metallic weather around a scorching sun. On the blistering day side, iron droplets form and rain down while the night side stays too cold. This strange exoplanet WASP 76b, a tidally locked gas giant about 640 light-years away, shows chemistry forging alien weather. The iron rain hints at extreme temperature swings and fierce winds sculpting the atmosphere daily. Stay tuned as Minuteverse explores more uncanny worlds and uncovers the physics behind the universe's wild skis.